Growing up, we are all told to pursue our passions. But why is it then most everyone I know after college settled down for a bland routine, a comfortable living, and a steady paycheck? Nah, my life is too short to sit at a desk from 9 to 5. So, using the money I made from freelance video over the past year, I bought a car and packed my life into it. And now, I'm giving up every comfort I've ever known. My family, my friends, my little Midwest town, to chase everything. Made it to the Badlands, hiking now. It's like a Western movie out here. Early morning drive out of the Badlands. Next stop, Denver. Those cows did not appreciate that drone shot. We made it to Denver, but then we kept driving because we wanted to find a mountain hike. So here we are. Made it to the lake. Woo! Woo! Yep, that was extremely cold. Back to the car. Leaving Colorado now. We had a family wedding in Crested Butte, so now the rest of the way I'll be driving with my mom. Say hi, Ma. Hi. Next stop is Arches. Very, very windy, but check out that window. Top of Double Arches. Pretty sure Indiana Jones was filmed here. Yeah, it definitely was. Back on the road now. Time to find somewhere to sleep. Good morning. Next day, same clothes. Somehow we ended up in Bryce Canyon. Bryce now. We made it to Zion. The scale of this place is insane. Say for the viewers back home,
our parks are precious.
Driving through the gears, trying to keep ourselves from stressing out.
I think we are about to the summit of this hike. Definitely one of the coolest views I've ever seen. The summit is insane. Just crossed the border into California. Today's the day I move into LA. To be honest, I'm a little anxious, but mostly really excited to start this new chapter in my life. Just parked my car. Now about to see my new home.
Holding back the tears on the last train homeward bound. It's been 27 years and you've only now just figured out.
And now that I'm here, it's time to get to work. Chasing everything, to me, means becoming a more acclaimed filmmaker, photographer, music video director, whatever, in Hollywood. And a part of achieving this goal means posting more on this channel. So I'm gonna make videos on this channel about what it's actually like living the life in LA, trying to make it in the video, photography, entertainment world. So I'm going to be posting videos about behind the scenes stuff that I'm working on, ridiculous everyday tasks and making them extremely cinematic, whatever, anything to inspire my creativity. I have a ton of ideas in my head, but an idea is nothing without execution. So, to ensure that I execute, I will be posting weekly videos every Tuesday. Peace!